Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is going to be a camo mask, a Ghillie camo in woodland forest. So this will hide you in the woodland forest. But look at it, it's got all the little leaves on it and stuff. But let me go and put this over my head here, and I'll show you guys what it is. So this is kind of how it works, and I can. Does it have a place? Oh, it has a place for my mouth and eyes, even though probably I could just cover it. Look at how this works. Oh, got the covers and stuff. I mean, I don't see why. It's all mesh, so I can breathe through everything anyway. So why not just cover everything up anyway? There, I could just cover it all up so you can't really see me too much, but it's covered. But I guess if you wanted to be able to see directly out of it, you could still open it up like that. So kind of interesting that it has it that way, but kind of multi-function. But look at it, it's really nice. It's made out of, definitely really breathable mesh, and it's got the leaves and the camouflage look. So if you're into hunting or just want to go out there and do some like photography of some animals and you want to kind of hide yourself, if you have like a full, like a ghillie suit or something like that, you can put this over your head to cover the top part of you, or a replacement one that's nice and breathable. That's for sure. This one would be great. This one, I could be out there in 100 degrees and it's not going to make a difference because it's so breathable. So that's what's good about this one here. Really nice. So if you're into, wildlife photography or something like that, this would be nice to have so you can kind of hide yourself a little bit from the animals. So super cool. So I like it. Thumbs up. You can do thumbs with it on there. I like it. It's good.